Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to automatic repair in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. I am going to show you 3 methods for this one. So start with method number 1. This is using the settings menu. First you need to go to your start menu here and tap on setting. If you can't find setting icon, you just need to tap on Windows button plus I. Then it will be open settings menu. In this menu, you need to scroll down a little bit until you find recovery. It is under system menu. Tap on recovery. Okay, now you can see, then you will be able to see the second one, advanced startup. Under that you can see there is option called restart now. Then when you tap this one, computer will be restart and go to the repair menu. Then it will be start the startup repair. Okay, once the computer is restart, you need to in that menu you need to tap on troubleshoot, and again you need to, then after you need to select the advanced option, and lastly you need to tap on startup repair. Then it will be take some time and start the startup repair process. This is method number 1. And the second one is use the bootable pen drive. So I have previous video how to create bootable Windows USB drive in using your computer. After you create the bootable USB, you need to boot the computer using that bootable USB. When it is booting, you can press I think mostly it is F10 or F12. Then after you will be able to go to the bootable menu. Then on that screen you need to tap on repair your screen. Then after you need to tap on troubleshoot. Then it will be go to another menu. Then after you need to tap on advanced option and again tap on startup repair. The last steps are similar to the previous one also. Then after it also takes some time and do the startup repair process. That is method number 2. And the last one is using the command prompt. So to do that, first you need to restart your computer, and when it is restarting you need to repeatedly press the F11 key. Then it will be open Windows recovery environment. Alternatively, you can hold down the shift key while selecting the restart. Then also it will go to Windows recovery environment. Then after you need to select the advanced options, and there you need to select command prompt. So I am going to show the commands using this command prompt. First you need to type sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. This will take some time to scan the complete startup. Then after you need to type boot rec /fix mbr. Then hit enter. It will be fix mbr. Then again you need to boot rec /fix boot. Then after boot rec /scan os. Finally boot rec rebuild bcd. These are the commands you need to type on that command prompt. Then after close the command prompt and select the continue button. Then it will be restart your computer and completely fix your startup issues. So these are the 3 methods you can follow the fix your Windows 11 startup issues. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.